Hey, I'm Alex, and today we're answering a dangerous question. Are credit cards a smart financial tool or a beautiful plastic trap? Let's find out. Here's a quick fact. The average credit card interest rate is around 20% per year. 20%. That means if you carry debt, your coffee today might cost you a laptop tomorrow. So why do smart people still use credit cards? Let's break it down. A credit card is not free money. It's a short-term loan from a bank. You borrow, you pay later. If you pay the full balance on time, you pay zero interest. If you don't, welcome to the debt trap. Used correctly, credit cards can actually be powerful. They are convenient, no cash, easy online payments. They protect you. Fraud protection, chargebacks. Your money is safer. They give rewards, cashback, travel miles, bonus points, free stuff for money you already spend. And they build your credit history, which helps you get cheaper loans in the future. So far, sounds great, right? Now, the dark side. First, the minimum payment illusion. The bank says, just pay $50 this month. Sounds easy, but you'll stay in debt for years. Second, interest. 20% interest is brutal. No investment gives you that return, but debt charges you that cost. And third, emotional spending. When you don't feel money leaving your wallet, you spend more. Credit cards don't create money problems. They magnify bad money habits. So here's a simple rule. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this. Never spend money on a credit card that you don't already have. Treat your credit card like a debit card with a delay. If you can't pay it off this month, don't buy it. So, credit cards, smart tool, or debt trap. Smart tool, if you control it. Debt trap, if it controls you. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I'm Alex, and this was Finance Made Easy.